Did you know that over 65% of online adults around the world use social networking sites on a daily basis? And 70% of these people rely on consumer opinions posted in social networks when choosing a service or product. Therapists from all over the world have been using the power of social media to promote their practice and find new clients. But there's still no way of telling who among the thousands of people in their network are potential patients until they step up and inquire. Anxiety Social Net is a mental health social network site, much like Facebook, but geared specifically toward anxiety and mental health. Every day, people from all around the world connect to Anxiety Social Net to share experiences and help each other overcome their struggles. And now with the Anxiety Social Net Therapist Program, we aim to create a bridge between these people and you. With the Anxiety Social Net Therapist Program, you can now precisely use social media to get referrals, socialize with potential clients, and interact with other mental health professionals on one vibrant mental health community. Here's how it works. Therapists interact with the patient community by writing blogs, answering community questions, and sharing status updates. These social interactions can be set to be automatically posted in other social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Users can see all interactions on the therapist wall where they can participate by liking and leaving a comment. If a user is interested in therapy, he can click on the therapist profile to learn more about him. Anxiety Social Net is the perfect solution for therapists. It is a unique and affordable way to reach the people who need you most, at the same time promote your practice. You can try the ASN Therapist Program free for the first 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now.